my friends here. Welcome back to my vlog. I'm going to be opening ps4 Pro for you guys. I just bought it from Flipkart. So let's open it. I got my cutter. But
I can't move the sticker.
And this part. Now finally, my friend will do it. Okay. Now it's the time that we open the ps4 Pro. Yes,
So you can all see.
I think we got a free God of War, I think.
Let's push it up.
Yes.
And let's keep it.
Good.
Let's see.
Which is
Four looks.
no, you know.
Done.
So now we are gonna unbox it right now. So
Keep it in between. Between.
so we are gonna open it. Oh, another box?
Oh my god.
How many boxes does it need?
Let's take it out.
Oh, you hold that part.
Looks like I need to hold it. Pull it down.
Yes, yes. Pull it.
Pull it. Out.
Oh, yes.
This is how it is
खराब होगा वीडियो.
inside.
वीडियो खराब होगा.
Oh
What
my God.
another box?
There's not another box.
But this is a
Inside that is a
Yes.
PS4. Here is the
So I'll just keep
We
it
have a
right
charger.
here. I'll just keep it here.
We have
Yes.
and I need some more chargers. Let's remove it. Oh my god.
Don't remove the PS4 right now. One thing will be.
Now let's get done with this. Keep it down. Put it.
Wait 1 minute. Don't go in.
You have to carefully remove it.
A game came.
There's a game inside that.
We got a game called God War.
Looks like some book.
Yeah,
Some
that's not.
instructions
Also,
to be followed.
where's the camera?
There's no camera, I think, inside it.
So that's it for the. Hey guys, so we got a PS4. This is a PS4 Pro looks like.
This is how it is.
Oh my goodness,
Has
super big.
and has all these stuff.
Maybe the box is is the I think
this is the adapter. This is the HDMI cable. This is the HDMI cable. We're going to remove this. This is how it looks. This is the USB cable.
hey guys,
This is how it looks. And we have headphones. This is how it is.
so guys, look, we have a ps4 controller.
It also has a light
Yeah,
through this.
you can off it any time.
These are the controls.
And so we bought another one.
Okay, you have to mention we got that from the Black Friday sale.
Huh?
We got that from the Black Friday sale.
Black Friday sale.
Huh?
But we got
Wait,
it
wait,
from
wait.
US now.
Black Friday sale in the US. Okay, ready?
I will say that. Okay.
Okay.
Go. You paused it.
No, ready?
Go. Wait. Give me this thing.
Chocolate cut it and then. Keep
I'll
it over
open
there
it.
itself.
We need it. No, 1 minute. I'll open it.
This is the Black Friday sale that we got it from the
US.
US.
We are so sorry. The controller.
This pen.
So this is how it looks like with the touchpad.
All unboxing, kicking, and all.
So you can connect this new controller to your tab or your phone or your smartphone,
Any phone.
any phone, but except God War.
This is how God War looks.
And I wanted to show you something else. I got PUBG Mobile.
PUBG Mobile. This is how it looks.
Yes.
We have these two. And this is the end of our
Video.
Yo.
Bye.